Welcome, guys, our YouTube channel, St. Wilfred College of Arts, Commerce, Science. Myself, Anjali Patil. So today we are going to discuss about new topic that is interview. So what do you mean by interview? Interview is a meeting at which somebody is asked question to find out if he or she is suitable for a job, course of study, etc. So in interview there are three types of preparation, like physical preparation, mental preparation, and psychological preparation. So first we will going to discuss about physical preparation. So first we have to pick your outfit. It means what you wear in your interview is an absolutely crucial part of how to prepare for a job interview. After you choose your outfit, make sure it is a clean and place and you have the appropriate accessories and shoes to go with it. It does not hurt to try the outfit on ahead of time, just to make sure everything fits and you look great. Then put your outfit aside for the day of your interview and have it ready to go. Now that you have this crucial step out of the way, you can concentrate on the rest. Practice greeting your interview. You should always greet your interviewer with a friendly smile and a firm handshake. If you do this right, you will set off the right energy and the chance of the interviewer going well will increase. So this is a small and simple step that you should always do to prepare for your interview. Next step is a study your resume and know everything about it. So any work experience or skills you have listed on your resume are fair game to talk about during the interview. Your resume is all the interviewer has to go by in order to get to know you. They may pick things out from it and ask you to elaborate. Even though you may have a previous job listed that was many years ago, the interviewer may ask you the explanation what you did at that job, and you are responsible for providing an answer. So this is the one step you absolutely will not want to skip on how to prepare for a job interview. After that, we have to make a practice your answers to the most common interview questions. So you will want to have your answers ready and practice them. You should always be able to answer, tell me about yourself and why do you think you would be great for this job. So the employer does not know, so it is up to you to sell it. Don't completely memorize your answers so that come out rehearse, but have a clear idea of what you are going to say. When you are asked, you want your answer to come out intelligently and naturally. Be open to other questions as well and really know what you can offer to the company. After that, research the company and the job position you are applying for. Write down any questions you may have about either so you can ask during the interview. If they if there any requirement of the job that you are unsure of, you should definitely ask during the interview. It always look nice when you go into an proper answer. So next step is a find out type of interview you will be going on. So there are several common types of interview such as one and on group group interview, behavioral interview. You should not assume you will get a certain one. So don't be afraid to ask your recruiter what kind of interview will have. If you don't know, the interview will be more beneficial to both parties if you are prepared. So next one is a print out the direction to the interview and be on time. Allow enough time to get there and anticipate traffic. It's okay to be up to 10 minutes early, but no more than that. Otherwise, the interviewer may not be ready for you. Bring the phone number of your interviewer just in case you get lost or are going to be late. If you are going to be late, call to the interviewer no. Follow these steps, you will successfully know how to prepare for a job interview. Interviewers can tell whether or not a candidate has prepared for it or not, and they will appreciate if you did. Now, after that, we are going to revise about the physical preparation. First point is a pick your outfit. Second one is a practice greeting your interviewer. Third one is a study your resume and know everything about it. Next one is a practice your answers to the most common interview questions. Fifth one is a research the company and the job position you are applying for. Next one is a find out the type of interview you will be going on. Next one is a print out the direction to the interview and be on time. After that, there is a second point like a psychological preparation. So we have to focus on the positive. We have to be a professional and we have to know why you want the job. And we have to create a alternatives and practice. So give serious thought to your hard and soft skills. Think about your top accomplishment and invest some time and work with a career coach. So after that, here are the types of interview. Okay, so here is a first type is an appraisal interview. An appraisal interview is an honest conversation between a manager and a subordinate, where the parties analyze a previous time period and set goal for the next. So the first appraisal interview is the one of the greatest importance to an employee. Second type of interview is a selection interview. Selection interviews are typically conducted on site at the hiring company. The purpose of a selection interview is to determine whether a candidate will be selected for the position or he or she is interviewing for. A selection interview is typically more rigorous than a screening interview. So in that way, first one is appraisal interview, second one is selection interview. After that, we are going to discuss about grievance interview. Grievance interview are a formal opportunity for individual employees to provide management with their conflicts about a company policy, procedure, practice, or a person. So our last type of interview is exit interview. In a human resource term, an exit interview is a survey that is conducted with an employee when he or she leaves the company. The information from each survey is used to provide feedback on why employees are leaving, what they like about their employment, and what areas of the company need. And last one is an online interview. So, an online interview is an online research method conducted using computer mediated communication, CMC, such as instant messaging, email, or video. So, in that way, in our today's lecture, we discuss about what do you mean by interview. After that, we discuss about the types of preparation, like the physical preparation. In that type of preparation, we have to pick our outfit. We have to make practice greeting your interviewer. After that, we have to study our resume and know everything about it. After that, we have to practice our answers to the most common interview questions. And last one is the research the company and job position you are applying for. After that, we have to find out the type of interview we will be going on. And next is a print out the direction to the interview and be on time. So these all points are included in our first preparation, that is a physical preparation. After that, psychological preparation. In that type of preparation, we have to focus on the positive things. We have to be professional. We have to know why we are wanting the job, and we have to create a alternatives for every questions. And last one is we have to make practice. So in that way, next preparation is a mental preparation. In that type of preparation, we have to give serious thought to your hard and soft skills. Because of that, we can face any type of question. After that, we have to think about our top accomplishment. Because of that, we can elaborate ourselves very well. After that, we have to invest some time and work with our career coach. So because of that, we can be prepared very good way. So in that way, in first we discuss about what do you mean by interview and types of preparation for interview. After that, we discuss about types of interview. So this is the most important topic. So first type of interview is a appraisal interview. So you can see here in appraisal interview, it is an honest conversation between a manager and a subordinate. So in this type of interview, the first appraisal interview is the greatest importance to an employee. In that way, selection interview is a second type of interview. So in that type of interview, we have to typically conduct it on site at the hiring company. So what is the purpose of selection interview? This is the most common question. So the purpose of selection interview is to determine whether a candidate will be selected for the position he or she is interviewing for. So this is the purpose of selection interview. So selection interviews are typically more rigorous than a screening interview. After that, next type of interview is a grievance interview. Grievance interview are a formal opportunity for individual employees to provide management with their conflicts about a company policy, procedure, practice, or person. It means with the help of grievance interview, we can find out the conflicts about the company policy or any about any person. So in that way, last type of interview is a exit interview. So exit interview is a survey that is conducted with an employee when he or she leaves the company. So with the help of this exit interview, we come to know what is the feedback which given by employees and why they are leaving our company. So in that way, our last type of interview is a online interview. Online interview is also called as a CMC. It means computer mediated communication. So this communication is done by instant messaging, email, or a video. So in that way, today's lecture we discuss about these all things. Have a good day. Bye.